Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new The Glow Giving Beauty Box by Next Beauty. The Glow Giving Beauty Box is retailed for £12 and Next Beauty claims that worth over £35. The box it feels lightweight, small chances to find full-size products inside. As usual, I will insert on the screen the size of each product from the beauty box. Okay, beautiful people, let's discover the treats from the Glow Giving Beauty Box. First, I took out a product from the brand Oskia London, their Renaissance mask. This face mask gives a spa experience in your own home. Designed to increase cell turnover, this illuminating mask is organically certified and leaves skin feeling and looking peachy clean. Second product is from the brand Este Lauder. Their very well known Advanced Night Repair Serum is a fast absorbing serum that contains hyaluronic acid. Bringing a bounce to your beauty routine, this skin plumping serum offers 72 hours of hydration and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I had this serum in the past and it's lovely, it's hydrating, it's fast absorbing into the skin. The next day the skin looks fresh, glowy and healthy. Very good face serum. I am curious to know if any of you try it and your opinion about it. Let me know in the comment section below this video. Third product, we find a mini face primer from the brand Ilamasqua, Hydra Veil Primer. This face primer instantly hydrates and smooths the skin, giving the perfect base for makeup. I tried this face primer from Ilamasqua in the past and I didn't like it too much. I remember that it has a jelly formula and I didn't like that. Fourth, we have a product from By Terry, Baume de Rose Liquid Lip Balm. Well guys, as much as I love this product, the brand By Terry don't want me to buy it. I find it in so many beauty boxes, goodie bags, that I am supplied for all year round with this lip balm. Actually, it's a very good, nourishing, shiny lip balm that I like a lot. It's formulated with rose blossom essential wax that has a powerful regenerative properties to combat dryness. This non-sticky balm protects and strengthens lips, leaving them supple, soft and plumped. Stay away from it if you don't like rose scent because it's fragranced. As I said, I love this liquid lip balm from By Terry. Fifth product is from the brand Clarins, their hand cream that in the last time we find it quite often in the beauty boxes. Hand and nail treatment cream, an easily absorbed cream that softens and hydrates. I am agree with that, a very good and nourishing hand cream. And the last sixth product from the beauty box is from Loccitane, Cherry Blossom Shower Gel. Awaken your senses as you bath with the scent of fresh cherry blossom. To be honest, I am not familiar with the brand Loccitane body care range. Happy to find something new for me. Okay, beautiful people, here are all the products from the Glow Giving Beauty Box from Next Beauty. Personally, I find it interesting. I like the content of the box, I like the price of this box, it's affordable, very good beauty box. What do you think? And this was today's video, I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!